Hello again. In today's session, we are going to talk about the most common mistakes kids can do in phonics. So, let's go and see our first common mistakes. Here we go. Hello Farida, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, are you ready for today's common mistakes that kids can do?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
What's the beginning sound? J.
What's the beginning
What
sound?
letter?
What's the beginning sound?
J.
Again.
J.
Okay.
Where is this? J.
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 Again.
J.
Good.
Jet.
Jet.
Yeah.
Jet.
Jam.
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 Juice.
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 Jacket.
Jacket.
Jacket. Jacket.
Jacket.
Jacket.
Juice.
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 Jacket. Jacket.
Jacket.
Jacket.
Jacket.
Jam.
Jam.
Jam. Jam.
Jam.
Jam. Jet.
Jet.
Jet. Jet. Juice. Jacket. Jam. Jet.
Juice.
Jacket. Jam. Jet.
Good.
Juice. Jacket. Jam. Jet. Juice. Jacket. Jam. Jet. Juice. Jacket. Jam. Jet. I want juice.
I want juice.
I want a jacket. I want juice. I want a jacket.
I want juice.
I want a jacket.
Very good. Again, repeat after me. I want juice.
I want juice.
I want a jacket.
I want a jacket.
Excellent.
I want jam. I want a jet. I want jam. I want a jet.
I want jam.
I want jet.
I want a jet.
I want a jet.
Good. Very good. Well done, Farida. See you in next common mistakes in phonics. See you. Bye.